Good evening, attention ba kayo sa Kitsuna? Yes, cute na kami. Okay, so we have a games ngayon. It's called The Floor is Lava. Sino ba nakapag-play na naman before? Ito, so ibig ko ng ano natin, okay? Pero tayo yung play na sa akin. And then, while playing song, kids have to dance and turn around. Back huwag kayo lalabas dito sa ating circle. And then, marinig nyo, John, when I say, the floor is lava, and then find the beaver patungan or patungan. Ayan. Okay. Nagets ba? Do you understand this? Okay, dito muna tayo lahat. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo, kids. Okay, kaman ko yan, kaminsan. Okay, kaminsan muna tayo kami. Okay, come on kids! Parang siya, trip to Jerusalem ba? Lava is... Okay, dito tayo. We have to stay around the circle. 4. The floor is lava. Okay, one paper. 3, 2, 1. Oh, very good naman. Okay, all safe. Balik tayo sa gitna. You have to catch your person. These are no secrets. Nakafocus sa speaker, no? Yeah, very good. Oh, wait back. Okay, okay. Hay kayo yung dalawa. Sa isa't isa. Hay dalawa. Hay kayo yung dalawa. Thank you so much.